Hey guys, this is Desiree with Vapor Honing Technologies, and today I want to go over some benefits of dry blasting with glass bead. Firstly, it allows quick polishing of parts, also provides some light stripping. It can be used as an all-encompassing process, but it is not particularly good at cleaning excess grime. This is due to its speed, smoothing abilities, and lower potential for damage compared to other abrasives in a dry system. You also do not have to deal with water when blasting with ferrous materials, so there's no need for inhibitors. A big thing for aerospace companies is that specs are established and dry blasting is mandatory, but glass beading is a good option. Glass bead works well in a siphon system, and a machine can be used to provide a consistent polish finish on thousands of parts daily. So therefore, glass bead blasting or bead blasting has been a staple in the automotive community for decades. Bead blasting is not limited to the automotive industry, but also heavily used in aerospace, tool, and die industries. A few other benefits of dry blasting with glass bead is glass bead blasting allows for a peening effect that enhances resistance to fatigue and corrosion, extending the lifespan of treated parts and strengthening metal components without excessive material removal. Also, there's no hazardous byproducts. It doesn't generate harmful chemical residues, making it environmentally safe compared to chemical cleaning. It's also, for the most part, non-sparking. It's safe for use on some surfaces where sparking could be hazardous, such as aerospace or oil and gas industries. Also, reduced equipment wear because glass beads are less aggressive, causing less wear on blasting equipment and reducing maintenance costs. And dry glass beading is also something that can be fully automated using our Robo IQ system to help you dramatically increase your productivity and streamline your quality. These advantages make glass bead dry blasting a great option for a variety of applications, ensuring a high quality, functional, and visually appealing finish. For more information on glass bead dry blasting or automating your glass bead dry blasting, feel free to visit our website or call us directly at our office at 828-202-5563.